Hi, I'm Jill. If you're new to the kitchen or you've never cooked lentils before, then why don't you keep watching? I'm going to be cooking some lentils for an upcoming recipe. But before I get them on to cook, I wanted to show you some different kinds of lentils. Lentils are a powerhouse of nutrition. They even beat out beans, if you can believe that. They're right at the top of the list. So I'm going to show you the different varieties of lentils that you can buy and share with you how I'm going to cook my own. These are the different colors of lentils. I can't advise whether one particular color is more nutritious than the other. But let's start with green. These are green lentils. They're also known as puy lentils, P-U-Y. These are often used in French lentil salad. They all have just a little bit of a different texture. The taste is pretty much the same. I suppose it depends on what you flavor your lentils with. These are black lentils. They're also called beluga lentils because they resemble beluga caviar. I really like these a lot. I think they look beautiful in a lot of dishes because of the complete contrast in color with ingredients. Then there's yellow lentils. These are split, and these cook down very quickly when they're split. You'll be familiar with red lentils. Let me show you here. Red lentils, you often buy them split, and these are used in dals and soups. They cook very, very quickly. But if you're lucky enough to find them less processed, then this is whole red lentils. So it just has a bit of a different tooth feel, and like I said, the yellow split lentils and the yellow red lentils, these are going to cook much quicker. They actually disintegrate quite fast when you're cooking them, like in one of your recipes. And then there are brown lentils. These are pretty popular here in Germany. They're also called mountain lentils. So the choice of lentil that you use for your dish, if the recipe calls for one, give it a try. But if you don't have it, then try something else. You're not going to go wrong. Just use your imagination. Now I'm just going to show you how I cook my brown lentils. So a recipe that I'm cooking calls for brown lentils. So I'm going to cook 1 cup of brown lentils. It's always 2 to 1, so it's 1 part lentils to 2 parts water. See, I've got 1 cup of lentils. And then this is just water from the tap that's in my kettle. And it's going to be 2 cups of water. It's so simple to cook lentils. These are so economical to cook as well. If you're on a budget, even looking for things that are super healthy, lentils are the way to go. So into this, I'm going to add a couple of bay leaves, and I've got a chopped up onion here. And I'm going to add in some powdered vegetable seasoning. Some of you might not realize that I live in Germany, so you don't source the same products that I can, and I can't source the same products as you. So I'm just going to add that in there, give it a stir. I'm going to put it on to boil. Let me get my lid. So I turn my pot on, full blast, it's boiling. I'm going to put my lid on, and now I'm going to turn this down so that it's just at a simmer. This is going to take about 30 to 40 minutes on the stovetop. Keep your eye on it or set your timer. If you cook it in the Instant Pot, it could be, 17 minutes or something. You'll have to check the cook time on that. Otherwise, it's really super easy to cook it on your stovetop. When you're using split lentils, they cook very, very quickly in a recipe, maybe 10 to 20 minutes. So I hope this is helpful, and you'll give lentils a try. They just pack so much nutrition, and texture is great in a recipe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.